Morning. So, I've been taking part in March Meet the Maker this year, and day 18 was skills and techniques. Now, that's a little bit of an interesting one at the moment because it's all changing, and specifically for me, because I work a lot with clients, I now can't go and see them. So, I've been taking my business online, which is a little bizarre because it's something I never thought I'd really do. And I'm turning my sewing classes into videos, this is a little bit of a trial of because I don't do videos very often. It's something that I just don't have time for normally. But I'm going to be doing classes on threading up a sewing machine, basic maintenance of your sewing machine, solving small problems like if the thread's catching underneath, anything to basically get you started. If you've not used a machine in a while, or you're just getting to grips with a machine that you brought new but you just haven't got round to using, but now you've got more time than you usually do, this is the plan. I'm going to give you the tools and the knowledge to do that. Also, I normally run sewing classes, so I've got a lot of resources that are printed and are in paper, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put those online. My website is almost ready. I did say to somebody, I'll be done by the end of the week, then realised it was Friday yesterday. Clearly I've lost track of the days, so I will give that another crack and hopefully get that up by Monday. But in the meantime, this is my first video for quite a while. So I suppose in terms of skills and techniques, I'm learning a new skill and technique and perfecting a new skill and technique, and I'm putting into use at the moment my illustration degree that I did a million years ago, but I use a lot for doing my own publicity work, doing my business cards and all that stuff, and using Photoshop and things. And I'm going back to my basic roots of being a teacher. So I'm using my teaching skills and my dazzling PowerPoint presentation skills to put together handouts that will hopefully be useful for everybody to get back to sewing or to learn to sew. So if you'd be interested, please follow my page, my Facebook page or my Instagram for updates of when videos are ready and when the handouts are ready and when the website is all snazzy. And I'm going to be doing a YouTube channel. That will be entertaining. We'll see how I get on with the YouTube channel. But I'm pretty determined, so I'm sure I'll find a way. Yeah, follow me for updates, and that's about it. Hopefully I'll have more news for you soon. Take care, bye!